Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a killer truck, 1986 CK 1500. It's got an updated nose on it. It's got the owner here. Is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Good.
Man, what a beautiful truck. Attention to detail, huh?
Yeah.
So tell us a little about it.
Well, it's an A6 Chevy pickup. It's got a 10-inch suspension lift. It's got 40-inch Yokohama tires on it, 20-inch wheels.
Fuels.
It's got dual tanks in it, which is good. It's got a crate engine in it, 305, with a mild cam, 4-barrel intake, Quadrajet Carburetor. It's got full big floater axle in the back, 14 bolt, 12 bolt rear.
Man, that thing's bulletproof.
Disc brakes all the way around. The large caliper disc brakes in the back too, from GM.
Oh yeah, those are real nice. Monsters.
Yeah, it's got the Bilstein reservoir shocks.
Those are like garbage can lids.
Yeah, smoked all the lights out. All these are all brand new. These are all smoked out, tinted them.
Oh, great.
Kind of blended with the truck a little bit better in the color. You can see all the detail with the hardware. Every nut and bolt is stainless steel.
All the stainless all around. In the doors, everywhere. I mean, the small attention to detail is what really makes this truck amazing.
All the sheet metal on this truck is brand new. There's not.
Beautiful.
Nothing that's ever been, patched up or anything. It's all brand new metal, brand new trim, brand new handles, brand new mirrors.
All stainless steel underneath too, as you can see.
Yeah, all billet hardware everywhere here, all under the roof.
.305 under the hood, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning actually blows cold.
Got the lights in here, going on the beach if you'd like to. They're very, very bright at night.
LED. Electronic ignition, header. Got the Edelbrock high rise, all the stainless steel. Nice big aluminum radiator, Lexus fan. Yep. Those are hooker competition headers. Those are not cheap. More and more you look at this truck, it's just done right.
Every nut, like I tried to do all the detail, all the billet hardware, even the black.
What's the paint called? It almost looks like a black cherry.
It's actually a Lexus color. That's where I got. That's exactly what it's called. It's called cherry something.
Okay. A lot of metallic.
Metallic in it is unbelievable.
Really pops, God. The body is as straight as it could be. 20-inch fuel wheels. Got lockers too, right?
What's up? Yeah. It's got Posi here in the front, locker in the front.
Beautiful.
Bluetooth radio.
It's got a vintage sound system in it. It still has the plastic. You never even tore the plastic off it.
What's up?
The radio still has the plastic on it.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Awesome, bro. Showing 45,247 miles. And it's just as nice as it could be. Every inch is touched. Batteries relocated in the trunk. I mean, behind the seat rather. It's an Optima gel battery.
And I got a battery tender that goes along with it that's hooked up.
Beautiful.
Just in case people like to, not drive it every day.
It's a show truck.
Right now, we're doing a video.
Rhino lined all the way around. Look at the hardware, how beautiful it is. Every nook and cranny. Stainless hardware back here as well. Like he said, it's got the dual tanks. Monster brakes all the way around. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. Again, thanks for showing us your truck. Awesome.
Thank you.